Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another mystery bundle unbundling. This one is 2202-MYS-015. And I did get this with my summer add-ons. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. The first box out is a familiar one. I saw this a few bundles ago, and I'm excited to see it again. This is a Maine and Mesa candle, a nice 3-wick candle in a tin, and the scent is glowing amber. These retail for around $30 on Amazon, and they're just a really nice candle. They have a good scent throw, and the one I already have, which is like blackberry and something, I'm not quite sure, but it has a really pleasant aroma and it really makes my kitchen smell good. And this one smells amazing as well, so I will be happy to put it into my kitchen candle rotation. So super excited to see that. And honestly, that right there, since it's $30, just about covers the price of my bundle, but we'll carry on. This is the XO Sienna Desk Organizer. And I'm just going to open that up so we can take a look at it. And this comes in handy because I bought a bigger desk organizer when I was redoing my office and it did not fit into the place I had intended. So this looks like it will tuck right into that little spot I have for it. And it's just super convenient. It's got some storage compartments in the top for like your pens and scissors and the like. It has a nice little like well in the top where I can keep some extra post-it notes, and it's got these little drawers just to catch the odd little things that roll around on my desk, such as my mini staplers and just extra staples, etc. Paper clips. It's all good. So that will tuck right into the corner of my desk and be perfect. And those usually go for about $15, it looks like. I couldn't find many. This is a Illamasqua highlighting powder in the Beyond Powder range. And I looked this up online and it looks to go for around $45 to $50, so we'll say $45. It's got a really pretty sleek black case. I will try to get it open, but I don't know if that's going to happen right now. It's kind of stuck and wrapped, and I'd rather keep it sealed, I think, until I'm ready to use it. So we'll go ahead and just tuck that back into the box, but the shade is Epic. So that'll be a good addition to my makeup kit. And then the final item out is another cosmetic item. It is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel. And I'm always happy to see any brow products because I literally have no eyebrows, so anything I can do to enhance them is good for me. And that goes for around $12. So if we add all of the items up, it does look like this basket is worth about $112, which is a pretty good value considering each mystery bundle does cost $29. Well, I'll get that back in there and get this stuff laid out again. I thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you again soon. I've got one more mystery bundle from this box, and I'll be putting it up shortly. Thanks, and have a great night.